The brave people of Vietnam. A long time ago, in the 1960s and 1970s, there was a big war in Vietnam. The war was between North Vietnam and South Vietnam. The United States helped South Vietnam. They sent many soldiers, airplanes, and weapons. But the people of Vietnam were strong and brave. In the villages, people worked together. Men and women helped the fighters. Some people joined the army. Others cooked food or carried water. Even children helped. They ran through the forest with messages helping the soldiers. There was a famous woman named Nguyen Thi Dinh. She was a leader. She and many women fought in the war. They were called the Long-Haired Army. These women were very brave. They planted bombs, carried food, and protected their villages. Vietnamese fighters used smart ideas. They made tunnels under the ground. They lived and moved in the tunnels. The American army had helicopters and bombs, but the Vietnamese knew the land very well. They used forests, rivers, and mountains to hide and fight. Many people lost their homes. Many were hurt or died. But the Vietnamese people did not stop fighting. They stayed strong. They sang songs and believed in peace. In 1975, the war ended. The American soldiers left. North and South Vietnam became one country again. Vietnam was free. The war was hard, but Vietnam showed the world something important. A small country with strong people can win. Today, Vietnam is peaceful. People live in cities and villages. Tourists visit every year. The country is proud of its past and proud of its brave people.